Right, so it's our final day of our Social Value Forum funded project, and we're on site at the Nghwm Elan mine fitting our bridge. It was supposed to be a 32-metre disabled access ramp, but unfortunately, due to some totally unforeseeable issues, we had to swap to a different project, which is one of the amazing things about working in the third sector, is we're very resilient and able to do that. The bridge was originally, back in January, 4 larch trees in the village that we had felled and milled. And here are our guys putting it on site.
Our colleagues from an organisation called Tir Coed have been running practical skills courses with a set of trainees, and for me it's been really important to see the difference it's made to the individuals. People have gained a lot of confidence, built up skills. They've been able to do some really practical projects that are going to make a difference. So building a disabled access ramp to an area and building a bridge and doing some really skilled carpentry work in the outdoors. It's been fantastic to see.
We started off with 6 trainees, all from a variety of backgrounds, and over the 24 weeks that we've employed them on a traineeship, we've watched them grow and their confidence build. One of our trainees actually left us in February this year, which wasn't a sad leaving. They've left because they've gone and got a full-time job, which is what we hoped this traineeship would do. So for us, it was about taking people who for various reasons weren't in full-time employment and giving them the skills and the confidence and the mental well-being that comes from being out in an outdoor environment to then go ahead and get jobs. At the end of the project, I'm really pleased to say that Sally, one of our trainees, will be staying with us in an employed basis as a support tutor to help with our next 12-week course, which is going to be based at this site here. Craig, who is one of our other trainees, is going to be attending that 12-week accredited training course. Aspen has got a part-time job, and our mentor Iona will be working with Merlin, Aidan and Aspen to help them meet their future aspirations.
We always have a very mixed group of trainees because we find that the better the mix of people, the better they all sort of feed off each other, and the less confident ones can become more confident, the less skilled can be more skilled, and you end up with a really, really tight-knit team. So we've just sat down and we've given everyone their certificates and eaten cake, and none of them really want to leave. You know, they've become so, they've enjoyed themselves so much that it's a bit of a sad day.
I've enjoyed this course very much, and I enjoyed seeing how it's done by tree and sawmilling and turning it into a bridge.
Being able to work outdoors in all weathers, and it doesn't matter what it's been doing, it's always been fun. It's always been a joy to come to work and get to learn alongside other people who are strangers to start with. And we've all grown to be like a family, so it's quite sad that it's the end day today.